Hello there, Pasadena High School Eagles. Let's review repetition and parallelism. What is repetition? Well, repetition is essentially repeating the same word or idea for an effect. So when authors use repetition, they essentially want to emphasize something, highlight something, or explain the importance of something. Let's take a look at some examples. What do the following pictures have in common? Well, they have a repeated pattern. So the bulbs or the ornaments are in parallel rows, and the gingerbread cookies are in parallel rows and also columns. So horizontally and vertically, they are arranged in the same way. When items or ideas in writing are arranged in the same way, we can clearly see the importance and the relevance of ideas. So we can see the colors of the ornaments much more easily because they're arranged in the same way and the colors and patterns stand out. Okay. Now we're going to take a look at a song and we'll call attention to the repetition and parallelism. It's not enough just to recognize that it exists. You should also focus on why the author uses it. So let's take a look at the actual definition of parallelism because again, it's a little more complex than repetition. Parallelism is the repetition of words, phrases, and clauses that have the same structure. As a result, there is equal balance or equal weight given to two or more ideas. Let's listen to Demi Lovato's Sorry Not Sorry. She utilizes both repetition in the bolded lines here, but also parallelism in her choice of words that rhyme at the end of the alternating sentences. So she goes from repetition to parallelism, repetition to parallelism. And of course, we'll review the purpose of both.
Now, baby,
in the chorus, Lovato repeats her declaration for a reason. She wants us, her listeners, to clearly understand that her repetition is used to show that while she should be sorry or apologetic, she really is enjoying what she's doing to her ex-boyfriend. So she's highlighting or emphasizing the joy that she gets from torturing her ex-boyfriend. Then, of course, we have to address the parallelism. The parallelism occurs at the end of the sentences that follow the repetition with good and would. So it's parallelism in the sound that she's creating with the rhyme. And then, of course, she's using this parallelism in sound to emphasize these words that basically point out that there has been a positive change for her, the good, and she knew that it would, so she predicted that this would happen, and so she's excited about being empowered now. Now she's on top. And then she also emphasizes that the tables have turned, so things have turned around for her. And then, of course, the burn, okay, again, the pleasure that she gets in torturing her ex-boyfriend. We realize that her parallelism kind of points out some of the same things pointed out by her repetition, that she's really enjoying this deal with her boyfriend her ex-boyfriend rather, being in misery. So today you're going to practice determining the purpose of repetition and parallelism within text. You're going to do some online questions, and I know that you're going to rock it out. So good luck. You are all set for repetition and parallelism. Bye-bye.